Morning class, we are doing chapter number 5, heat. Now today we'll study effects of heat. Heat produces mainly the following three effects, children. First, change in temperature of the body. There is change in size or shape of the body, and there is change in state of the body. Now we'll study them one by one. Change in temperature of a body. When a body is heated, children, its temperature rises, and when it is cooled, children, its temperature falls. The change in temperature of the body depends on quantity of heat imparted, means given to it. The change in temperature of the body depends on the quantity of heat you have given to it or released from the body. Okay, and secondly, it also depends on the material of the body, and thirdly, it depends on the mass of the body. On these three things, the change in temperature depends. Please repeat one more time. How much heat you are imparting to it, giving to it, or the body is releasing. And secondly, the type of material of which the body is made. And last is mass of the body. Then change in size of the body. When a body is heated, children, it expands, फैल जाती है, and when it is cooled, it contracts, सिकुड़ जाती है. The increase in size of the body is due to heating is called thermal expansion. This I have already explained to you. Now change in state of the body means because of heating the body changes its state. The process of change from one state to another at a constant temperature is called change of state. At a constant temperature means you are heating it at 50 degrees Celsius and you are heating it, and at that constant temperature only it is changing its phases. Okay, for example, when a solid is heated, children, it changes into liquid at that temperature only. Now this process, when the solid changes into liquid, it is called your melting or fusion. The reverse happens when a liquid is cooled. The reverse of it means from liquid to solid. The liquid freezes into solid, children. This is called freezing. For example, when ice is melting into water, the temperature of water remains 0 until the entire ice has melted into water. Similarly, when water is freezing into ice, the temperature remains 0 until all of the water has solidified into ice. Now next thing, when a liquid is heated, children, it changes into vapor. When solid was heated, it turned into liquid, and now liquid is heated, it is turning into gas. Now this is called vaporization or boiling. The reverse happens when vapor is cooled, and when vapor is cooled down, it condenses into liquid, and this is called condensation. Okay, now when a solid is heated, children, and it directly changes into vapor state, now that is called your sublimation. Now the change directly from vapor to solid is called your deposition. Okay class. Then comes the change of state from liquid to gas is called evaporation. The evaporation differs from boiling. Boiling is at fixed temperature, children, while evaporation takes place at all temperatures. For example, drying of clothes, it's due to evaporation, children. When you are drying the clothes, it is because of evaporation. Because evaporation, children, is a slow process, and while the boiling is a rapid process. First, there is a fixed temperature in case of boiling. Okay, and then it takes place rapidly. Okay, now this has been shown to you. Solid when turns to liquid, and liquids turn to gas. When solid is turning to liquid, is called melting. When liquid is turning into gas, it is called vaporization. And this thing, when solid is turning into gas, it is your sublimation, and gas is turning into solid is called your deposition. Now children, during change of state at a fixed temperature, two things are happening. Either the heat is being absorbed or it is being released, but this heat does not change the temperature of the substance. It is called the latent heat. Okay class, now this finishes our chapter finally today. Please go through the chapter once again, read each and every line of the chapter, and if you have got any doubt, I am always there for you kids. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.